All types of Internet protocols in 60 seconds. Internet protocol is a set of rules that devices use to exchange data over the Internet. It is needed so that computers, smartphones, and servers can understand each other. IP is the primary protocol for addressing devices. IPv4 is the most common version, with 32-bit addresses. IPv6 is newer, has 128 bits, and supports many more devices in the world. TCP guarantees reliability. If a packet is lost, it will be sent again. UDP is faster but less reliable. It is used in video streaming and online gaming, where speed is important. HTTP is a protocol for browsing the web. HTTPS is the same HTTP, but with encryption. It protects data from being intercepted while browsing sites. FTP allows you to transfer files between your computer and a server. SMTP, a protocol for sending email. It is responsible for ensuring that your letters reach the recipient. DNS is a system that translates website names into IP addresses. When you type in a website address, DNS finds it on a server. It's like a search engine for your browser. DNS is a system that translates website names into IP addresses. When you type in a website address, DNS finds it on a server. It's like a search engine for your browser. Remember the main thing: IP, TCP, UDP, and HTTP are the basic protocols. Always use HTTPS for security. And know that protocols like FTP, SMTP, DNS, and DHCP make the Internet convenient, fast, and understandable for everyone.